Hello everybody, welcome. In this video, I will talk about one poem. The title is Africa. This poem was composed by Maya Angelou, who was born in 1928 and died in 2014. This video will be useful for B.Ed 4th year major English students. This is from the course Literature for Language Development. It is from Unit 3rd, Exploring Language Through Literary Text. It is English poetry. It's the number 11 poem, title 1, Africa. So I like to request the viewer who watch the video till the end so that you can get ample information about this poem Africa. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. That always make me motivate to make such kind of video in the days to come. Now let's discuss about this poem. Especially I will discuss this poem in two versions, both in English and Nepali. Now let's discuss this poem. अफ्रिका भन्ने शीर्षकमा लेखिएको यस कविता लेखिका माया एन्जेलो हुन्। उनको जन्म 1928 मा भएको थियो भने उनको डेथ 2014 मा भएको थियो। विशेष गरेर यो कवितामा अफ्रिकन महादेशको बारेमा यहाँ चर्चा गरिएको छ र अफ्रिका कन्टिनेन्ट यानी कि अफ्रिकन महादेशलाई एउटा महिलासँग कम्पेयर गरिएको छ र एउटा सुन्दर उनको कपाल उनको शरीर त्यससँग उनलाई जोडिएको छ। एउटा सुन्दर महिलाको दर्जा दिएको छ अफ्रिकन कन्टिनेन्टलाई र यस कवितामा कविले अफ्रिकाको इतिहास, त्यहाँको विगतको इतिहास अनि सङ्घर्षको इतिहास र बिस्तारै बदलिँदो परिवेश र अहिले वर्तमान अवस्थामा कसरी अफ्रिका अहिले वर्तमान अवस्थामा आइपुग्यो भन्ने बारेमा यस कवितामा कविले चर्चा गरेकी छन्। विशेष गरेर यस कवितालाई रिथमेटिक लयात्मक ल्याउनको लागि एउटा महिलासँग तुलना गरिएको छ र उनको कपाल र उनको खुट्टा अनि उनको शरीरसँग यहाँ तुलना गरिएको छ। जस अनुसार अफ्रिकन महादेश एउटा महिला जस्तै सुन्दर रहेको र उक्त महिलालाई पछि गएर त्यसबाट जन्मेका बच्चा छोरा छोरीहरूलाई चाहिँ आएका व्हाइट रोबर्सहरूले यानी कि सेता वर्गका मानिसहरूले उनीहरूलाई माथि अत्याचार गरेको, त्यो अत्याचारले गर्दा अफ्रिका महादेशमा चाहिँ एक किसिमको धार्मिक सम्प्रदाय दंगा भएको, जसले गर्दा आन्तरिक कलहले गर्दा अफ्रिका महादेशमा विभिन्न किसिमको समस्याहरू आइपरेको र त्यहाँ भोकमरी, उत्पीडित र विभिन्न किसिमको समस्याहरू व्हाइट वर्गहरूले को दमनले गर्दा त्यस्तो किसिमको अवस्थाहरू अफ्रिकन जनताहरूले भोग्नु परेको अवस्थाहरू र अहिले बिस्तारै ती विगतका द्वन्द्वका घाउहरूलाई मलम लगाउँदै अहिले वर्तमान परिप्रेक्ष्यमा अफ्रिकन कन्टिनेन्ट, अफ्रिकन महादेश अहिले निकै बदलिएको र वर्तमान अवस्थामा आइपुग्दा अफ्रिकन महादेशमा धेरै बदलावहरू आएको, जसले गर्दा अफ्रिकन महादेश अब बिस्तारै सफलताको सिँढीतर्फ बढ्दै गएको, सफलताको सिँढीतर्फ चढ्दै गरेको अवस्थाको बारेमा यस कवितामा माया एन्जेलोले चर्चा गर्नुभएको छ र समग्रमा यस कवितामा एउटा अफ्रिकन इतिहास र अफ्रिकाका मानिसहरू र अफ्रिकाको चाहिँ आन्तरिक कलह र अफ्रिकाको सुन्दरता र अफ्रिका विगतदेखि वर्तमान अवस्थासँग कसरी आइपुग्यो भन्ने बारेमा यस कवितामा चर्चा गरिएको छ। एउटा सुन्दर महिलाको आकृति दिएर यस कवितालाई माया एन्जेलोले र अफ्रिकन कन्टिनेन्टलाई व्हाइट वर्गहरूले चाहिँ सेता वर्गहरूले दमन गरे तापनि अफ्रिकन देशहरू, अफ्रिकन महादेशहरू बिस्तारै अगाडि बढ्दै गरेको सन्देश यस कवितामा माया एन्जेलोले दिएकी छन्। Well, that is the idea here by Maya Angelou. Now let's discuss this in here. Well, let's discuss about this poem. That is this Africa by Maya Angelou, who was born in 1928 and died in 2014. One famous American poet and memoirist there. Originally, she was from Africa, and later on she migrated to America and became American poet there. So this is a poem about Africa and its past, its people, and its violent history and its beauty. The poetess has been discussed about this idea here. Especially this poem shows the horrible picture of Africa, how Africa has been looted, extracted and attacked by Europeans and Americans and struggle to rise again. So how Africa has been its past history and how it has been dominated highly by the Europeans and Americans. It is presented in this way. So Africa continent in all its richness, suffering and mystery is presented to the readers in the guise of woman. Especially here Africa continent is compared with a woman uh, who is yes sweet, yes sugar cane. Especially here talks about her beautifully hair and golden feet and attractive breast. The poet has discussed about this. Especially the beautiful Africa was looted by the white robbers and took our beautiful daughters and sons, strong sons there. So, and all the indigenous cultures were destroyed, divided African people and started civil war in the name of religion and kept African under the gun and killed many innocent Africans due to that is racial discrimination between the black and white there. The idea is presented here how Europeans and Americans they dominated the African continent and especially African people there. It is presented, especially at present Africa is rising above these struggles and getting this glorious parts there. So overall, this poem concludes on the triumph note. Africa has risen again and she is walking with confidence. The African people are uh, resisting their oppressors and they are ready to take back their power and thrive once more. Now Africa is struggling back and it is just marking ahead. The poet has been presented the idea here in this poem. Now let's discuss about this summary. The summary is based on this idea here how uh, Africa is uh, risen again. So in the poem, the poet discuss about its past history and its people, its violent history and its beauty. In this poem here, that is all about the idea by Maya Angelou about African continent and how white people, especially Americans and Europeans people, they dominated the African people. The idea is presented there in this poem, Africa. So that is all about this poem. I hope every viewer will get the idea. Now we are at the end of this video. I hope to meet you all in the next interesting video, another interesting poem or content. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Have a good time.